All right, so what I've got today is Ryobi blower, one of the little turbo jet fan blowers, 18 volt. It has a problem with the switch. It goes in and out of high, but I'll show you. Sometimes it hits high, sometimes it doesn't, but I believe it's the switch. So we're going to try and fix it. We're also going to try and fix where this is a common problem with them, where they snap the little clip in here. And I've got a little workaround for it with some CA glue. So I'm going to take that off, and this thing tore apart. This thing has a lot of freezing. If you're having to take one of these apart, be ready for it. Most of the parts on switches and stuff like that on the drills can be bought at replacement tools or replacement parts, where I got the switch for this unit. Otherwise, throwing out a good tool just because of a switch. Whenever we come out there, let's free it. We're going to clean it when we have it all parked. All right, so we don't want to lose that. That's the little tab that goes on the end of here. Yeah, we're going to glue it back on. CA glue. Hopefully it'll stay. I'm pretty sure all these screws are the same size, so it shouldn't matter which one goes where.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of
Wires just go down.
they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you
I don't know if that helped or not.
make all the demons
Don't help
quiet.
it.
Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
Okay, so there's a little groove right there. We just push the wires down into it and the switch down into it. Doesn't require hardly any slack. You do want to push them down in there. Make sure I had the wire colors correct on the bottom. That could be problematic.
My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got cold that is sitting.
I just work them a little bit every time. Each one individually. Feel like get them where I want. Down while I'm in here.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young.
Did say we were going to clean it while we got it parked. I'm not worrying about making it perfect, but I do want it semi-clean so it's tell any other issues. Fix one it's apart. I'll step off camera here in just a second and blow this out with the air compressor. So the fan blades and everything are good and clean. Ryobi's got several kinds of blowers out, but this has always been my favorite. It just seems to work better than any of the rest of them. Even the 40 volts, this thing right here seems to work even better than them. That's just 18. 18 volt Ryobi. Now I'm gonna step off for a minute. All right, I'm back. These are field bearings that are in these. And this particular one right here is a brushless motor. It's fine with me. Doesn't bother me if it's brushed or not. Some people like the brushless motors better. I don't care. As long as they work, that's what I care about. All right, I got a couple different pairs of crimps, so I'm gonna go with the way I always have done them. All right, the air compressor shut off. Awesome. I always try to look inside and get my crimp tool set with the depth of the little steel ferrule in there that's getting ready to crimp, so that I can be sure that I'm on it when I crimp it. Then I always give them the pull test, which I try to pull pretty hard. Okay. Time to put it together back. Okay. Now we need to fix this little tab, which since we're using CA glue, it'll go pretty fast. But it's not going to fully cure for a minute or two. All right, CA glue. You only want to apply CA glue to one part. Spray the other part with the activator. About all it takes. Those two come together. So. Take about 5 minutes for that to get really good hard. Take the knife, get the excess off before it's cured. Because it is ain't nothing to get off. microphone, so I'm trying to see how long they last. So we got that part dealt with. So now it's time to bring these back in. Okay, so that piece in. This piece in. This piece in. This one in. Put all three back here. Appears that I was about to mess up. But I left this cone out. All right, one more time. Get down to drop it. and on. In high. Yep.